Hi, today in front of me Infinix Hot 20i and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. Just to do that, we should hold for a while our home screen with a finger and then tap on the right down corner to menu icon. Then click to hide apps. Now we should use our X hide. Click here to start. Now we should set the privacy password. For example, I'll use from 1 to 6. Confirm. Now we should remember our password. Click yes, I remember. You can just link your account. I'll skip it. And here we'll see the hidden apps. Click here, tap the plus icon and select one from the applications which you want to hide. For example, let's use the Instagram. Click to confirm and now this application is here. By the same way you can hide all of your applications if you want. If you want to just unhide them, you can just select them or by this way, click on the right upper corner to these three dots or just hold it for a while, click to export and unhide export. So yes, by the same way we can unhide all of the applications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.